Okay, let us try an example. Find the mode of the age of grade 8 hydrogen. So, the given data is already arranged from smallest to largest, right? Okay, kapag ganyan, mas mabilis natin anak makukuha. Ano yung data na naulit? Okay, so meron tayong naulit na data which is number 13. So, what do you think is the mode? Okay, that is 13. 13 is the mode. Yung 13 ay isa lang yung mode natin. Tama po ba? Therefore, what type of mode is that? Yes, anak. Unimodal. Question. Okay, now, example number 2. Find the mode of the given set of data. So, the givens are 21, 23, 25, 26, 21, 23, 24, 27. Okay, do you think the given data is already organized? No. What we're going to do? Organize first the given. What do you think is the smallest value? Next, 21. Di ba ilan yung 21, anak? Dalawang sulat yon. 21, 21, what's next? 23, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Always arrange para mas mabilis makuha. Then, after mo ma-arrange, ano nang next step? Identify mo na. What is the most frequently? 21 and 23. There's anak, what is the mode? Very good. 21 and 23. And what type of mode is that? Yes, kanisa? Very good. That is bimodal.